In this case, doctor, on the last date, last opportunity was granted to call the DNA report.
It's available now.
मतलब ये available है, इसको मैं देखने का kindly kept it to my.
नहीं, there's nothing great to be seen. I'll just argue, Malad. If time be needed, then you can take.
201.
No, 302.
302.
आपका रोल है कोई?
Yes, there's only one accused person in this matter.
Yes.
What happened, Milad, in this matter is that I am a 22-year-old girl. I am studying bachelor's of nursing, and I am a tenant in the house of which the murder takes place.
Yes.
A 70-year-old lady, my alleged landlord, was said to have been murdered. The body was discovered by her daughter on the 2nd of June 2023, and a Dehati Nalish to this effect was lodged on the 2nd of June 2023 itself at 8:35 p.m.
Yes.
An FIR was lodged at the wee hours, that is 1:36 a.m. on the 3rd of June 2023, all against unknown persons. They don't have me till that time. A good number of articles were seized from on the person of the deceased as well as from around the person of the deceased. Now, those articles, millets, are, and those are the articles which were sent for forensic examination to the DNA. That is, there were the scrapings from within the nails because it was quite a brutal murder.
ये तो बोल रहे हैं DNA रिपोर्ट आ गई है.
आ गई है ना सर, मेरे पास भी है.
अच्छा, आपके पास?
मेरे पास भी.
Yes.
Now, what the deceased person was found lying in a pool of blood. There were various articles, household articles, which were lying strewn around in the house. And from within the nail scrapings of the deceased and from within both the fists of the deceased, hair was found. 4 articles. From the left hand nail, right hand nail scrapings were taken. And from each fist, right and left, certain hair was found. Apart from that, there were knives and there were other things stuck onto the person of the deceased. This was the scene of crime report.
Yes.
All these articles were sent for DNA.
Yes.
In these articles, my biological sample doesn't match.
Yes.
There was a small spool of hair. They say बालों का गुच्छा मृतक के शरीर के पास में पड़ा हुआ था. That is the only article with which my DNA matches. Now I'll come to that later. The second thing is, after on the 5th of June when I was taken into custody, on my memorandum statement, 3 articles were recovered.
Yes.
My jeans, my frock, which I was wearing allegedly, and the towel with which I allegedly cleaned myself because I was drenched with blood is what they take in my memorandum statement. Those were sent to the FSL. None of them returned with human blood on them. Not a single article. Neither my jeans, nor the frock, nor the towel. None of them have human blood. Both those reports are now with us. Now, Millets, I would argue during the course of trial that this so-called piece of hair has been planted by the prosecution over there, which I'll just demonstrate very briefly for my lords, because 2 articles would need to be seen. The spot map, which was prepared by the police immediately after the incident.
Murder is with weapon?
Murder, they say, is with a sharp-edged weapon. That was never recovered from me.
Yes.
Now, Millets, this, the hair, which they say is the only article which matches with, this was not found in the arms of the deceased. This was not found on the person of the deceased. Because Shav Panchnama mein ye bhi paate hain ki on the stomach of the deceased person, there was a big patch of hair stuck onto the deceased person. That was also not mine. This is one loose ball of hair which was lying somewhere near the deceased. That has matched with me. Now, Millets, 2 documents. When the spot map was prepared by the police, and when the scene of crime, that is a scientific officer from a research institute of forensic sciences came down to the spot, both of them have prepared their reports. The spot map prepared by the police and this scientific officer's forensic report prepared on the spot map. Both of them don't say that there was any loose hair found near the spot. They all talk about every other article. That is those utensils which were found, the scrapings within the nails, the hair found within the arms, the hair found on the stomach of the deceased. All of that is in the forensic science report. But they don't talk about that one ball of loose hair, the only piece of article which has matched with my DNA. I'll read out those excerpts also for my lords. But Millets, for now, since this is only bail, I would not expect my lords to appreciate so much evidence. As of now, I only say, Millets, it's the prosecution story that I am a tenant in that very house. This fact will also have a bearing. It's not that I am not supposed to be present in that house at all. My room is on the 1st floor of that very house where the murder has taken place. They find a ball of, let us assume for the sake of argument, my hair over there, right?
No other evidence?
No other evidence they have.
Yes.
No direct evidence, nothing.
क्या evidence है इनके against में?
My lords may just have the FSL and DNA reports. I have a copy if my lords would like to see.
Yes, state.
जब्ती तो लॉर्ड से इसमें चक्कू की भी है, एक लोहे का तवा, तो इनको जिस पर खून के धब्बे लगे हैं घटनास्थल से, एक सब्जी काटने वाला चाकू जिस पर खून लगा हुआ है, एक छड़ी का टुकड़ा, ये सारे घटना स्थल से जब्त हुए हैं। और इनका कहना यह है कि इनका मेमो में थोड़ा सा 2 लाइन का पढ़ देता हूँ। 6 बजे निकलकर पैदल अपने किराए के रूम में पहुंची, खाना खाई, तब मकान मालकिन ने मुझे आवाज देकर नीचे बुलाया, तो मैं पीछे की सीढ़ियों से उतरकर नीचे किचन के सामने वाले कमरे में गई। डांटते हुए बोलने
Even
लगी
on your jeans, pant, frock, and other articles,
Yes.
human blood was found.
No, my lords, not found. I have marked that for my lord.
Yes, it is. It says that धब्बे विघटित disintegrated हैं.
That
That does not mean that there was no blood on it.
no, there was. They say that there was some. There were traces of blood, but that was human blood or not, that is not there in those 3 articles. What I want to impress upon my lords is the prosecution wants to argue that this was a very brutal murder. Even if my lords will see the murder site, it seems to be a very brutal murder, and the deceased person has struggled. Now, in her fists, there is hair, most certainly of the assailant. In her nails, there are scrapings, most certainly of the assailant. Otherwise, who will she struggle with? Those.
इनका पढ़िए जरा मेमोरेंडम
My
पढ़िए.
lord, और जो बालों का गुच्छा है वहाँ जो मिला है वो इनका आया है, इन्हीं के बाल हैं। मैं आवाज देकर बुलाई तो मकान मालकिन डांटते हुए बोली, बिजली का बिल नहीं देती, रूम खाली कर दे, तेरा बाजू वाले कमरे किराएदार विनोद सनोडिया से गलत संबंध है और है तो तेरे भाई और माँ को बताऊंगी। मकान मालकिन मुझे गंदी गंदी गालियां देने लगी, तब मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आया, मैंने मकान मालकिन को धक्का दिया, पास ही किचन में रखा लोहे का तवा उठाकर उसके सिर में मारा, जिससे मकान मालकिन नीचे गिर गई। उठकर किचन की तरफ भागी तो मैं भी उसके पीछे पीछे गई, मेरे बाल पकड़कर खींचे, तो फिर मैंने किचन में रखे स्टील के जग चाय की गंजी से उसके सिर में मारा, गंजी छिटक गई, फिर मैंने बाहर रखी छड़ी से मकान मालकिन के सिर पर मारी, छड़ी टूट गई। किचन में रखे चाकू से मकान मालकिन के पीठ में कई बार की और बाद में रखे दूसरे चाकू से मकान मालकिन गला को काट दिया।
Now this bal खींचे, that means those are the hairs in the
ये
strand.
दूसरा आपने किसी को एक्यूज नहीं बनाया. जो बाकी बाल मिले हैं उसके हाथ में वो किसके हैं?
वही तो इसमें आया ना डीएनए में।
हाथ वाले बाल हमारे नहीं है sir.
किसके हैं वो बाल जो दूसरे मिले?
There's no other accused in the case. Charge sheet is filed.
एक ही एक्यूज बनाया ना आपने
एक ही।
सिर्फ, और ये इसमें कह भी नहीं रही है कि कोई दूसरा भी इन्वॉल्व है इसमें.
And when the body was discovered, the door was ajar. The daughter comes inside से जब मैं घर पहुंचे दरवाजा खुला हुआ था और अलमारी टूटी हुई थी. Possibilities of a random person coming and looting the lady and in the process waylaying her, that also can't be ruled.
ये बाकी दूसरे जो हेयर्स हैं वो कैसे आए मौके पे? वो भी उसके हाथ में है.
मैं एक बार किचन की तरफ भागी, मकान मालकिन ने मेरे बाल पकड़कर खींचे, तो फिर मैंने किचन में रखे स्टील के जग से बार किया, क्योंकि कमरे का दरवाजा बंद करने का प्रयास किया, लेकिन दरवाजा बंद नहीं हुआ। घटना करने से मेरे कपड़े में खून लग गया था, जो मैंने वहीं रखे नीचे टॉवेल को सिर व मुंह सामने लपेटकर अपने रूम की तरफ ऊपर जाकर बाथरूम में अपने हाथ व कपड़े धोए। मैंने घटना के समय जो जीन्स पैंट फ्रॉक पहनी थी उसे रूम में छुपा कर रख दिया हूँ, जिससे टॉवेल में लपेटी थी छत पर फेंक दी हूँ, चलो निकाल कर दिए देती हूँ।
तो ये बाकी कौन है, दूसरा आदमी कौन है जिसके हेयर्स मिले हैं उसके हाथ में, अगर एप्लीकेंट से मैच नहीं हो रहे हैं तो?
मृतका के दाहिने हाथ में नाखून मिले बाल, बाएं हाथ में मिले बाल, पेट पर चिपके बाल और घटना स्थल से जब्त फर्श पर लगा खून आरोपिया के डीएनए से भिन्न है। बाकी जो घटना स्थल पर किचन से जब्त बालों का जो गुच्छा है वो इन्हीं का है।
Let's just weigh this fact also. I am a 22-year-old girl studying bachelor's of nursing, and I am a tenant in this very lady's house. In the memorandum statement, of course, they say that the motive is कि किराया बढ़ा देने के कारण by 100-200 rupees. By no stretch of the imagination, my lords, will a girl who can just easily switch rooms do such an act? It does not add up the prosecution story.
उसमें ऐसा है कि हम इन्होंने लांछन लगाया और मैं तेरे भाई माँ को बता दूंगी, इस चक्कर में आके उन्होंने ऐसा किया। ऐसा
किराया बढ़ाने के साथ,
किराया बढ़ाने के साथ साथ दूसरी बात ये भी है, मैं लॉर्डशिप हमारा ये था कि लॉर्डशिप इसको कल के लिए अगर कर दें, मैंने शुरू में प्रेयर की थी, एक्चुअली क्या है,
देख लीजिए
माल था, कल के लिए कर देंगे।
गवर्नमेंट एडवोकेट अपियरिंग फॉर स्टेट, क्योंकि जो इनका रुई से जो ब्लड मिला है उसका डीएनए और बाल का डीएनए एक ही है, और रुई जो ब्लड है वो डिसीज्ड का है, तो वो डिसीज्ड के बाल तो नहीं है। अगर डिसीज्ड के बाल हैं देन यू विल नॉट हैव एनी केस।
Might
किसी
be.
थर्ड आदमी के हैं देन यू विल हैव सम
As
केस।
of now, Milas, of course, I gave my copy to my lords, but as of now, it appears that the hair which was found was not mine. Yes, if it's the deceased, then I'll have to come
इट
up
इज
with
ऑफ
other.
डिसीज्ड, क्योंकि जो खून मिला है उसी का डीएनए बालों के डीएनए से मैच होता है जो उसके हाथ में मिले
But the second question would be, Milas, they'll have to also go to prove कि जो खून जहाँ से swab लिया गया है, that was of the deceased. They
दैट
don't.
इज ऑफ द डिसीज्ड।
No, they've taken a separate blood sample of the deceased. वो कभी भेजा ही नहीं इन्हें DNA के लिए.
आप
Deceased का
देख
जो
लीजिए सारे,
जी,
एग्जामिन कर
there is an identification form DNA का.
नेक्स्ट वीक फॉर कंसिडरेशन।
Highly of it.
Number 20